Have a bump on your nose you don't like? Well, check it out. We're gonna remove this lady's bump and I'll show you how to do it.
Oh my God, it's like totally gone.
This is our beautiful patient. 3 weeks ago, she fell and hit her nose on some concrete. So she has a dorsal hump here. She's gonna turn a little bit for us all the way to the side so you guys can see that better. It's basically right here, okay? So we're going to do this procedure all through a nostril and go in and basically file down the dorsum of the nose to make it straight, okay? So pretty straightforward procedure. Stay tuned. So we've approached the dorsum through inside the nose, and now we've dissected a space above where the bony break was with our scissors here. And we're making space on top of that bony callus so that we can bring it down with our rasp. Now we have our rasp in place, and we're going to take down the dorsum of the nose very carefully. You just have to keep doing this until we get the perfect contour. We always want to check to make sure that we don't over resect. Moldable now we're just going to go straight on here. We're going to get the perfect shape that we want. So what we don't want is swelling to come back to that dorsum. Now we can place the cold water on it. We are all done. Okay, there you go.
Whoa.
A little swollen right now, but that's going to come down even more.
Wow, it's, oh my God, it's like totally gone. No, it looks really good.
Good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good.
I just can't even.
I actually feel so great. It was an amazing feeling to have the splint come off. It was a really smooth process. I think what shocked me is that I had the surgery on Friday and now it's Tuesday and everything's off and you can kind of go about just living your life. So to me, the recovery period was so fast.